the lighting. Okay.
So right now we're building some planters out of scrap wood that we found around the farm. Because when you're on the farm, you don't want to spend money on unnecessary items. So I found some old deck boards around the farm here. We're going to cut them down to the size that we need. We're going to put them together to make us some raised beds. I'm going to make this 2 level, so about 12 inches tall. Oh, what you got? Let me drill it in for me, because thank you, you don't have any hands, no thumbs. So you got thumbs. Just don't run it out. Oh, I'll leave you. Raised garden. So now we're gonna grab some more lumber and build the second level. Always keep your sweat rag with you too, because it's gonna get hot. What we're about to do is take this box that we built and set it on top of this box so we can have the depth that we're looking for in our raised beds. And then what we would connect them with will be these cut blocks on each 4 sides. Boom, blam. Really don't matter what side you start with. It's all wood. It's gonna flex. It's all gonna come together. Just, you know, drill your screws from the outside in. You don't want to accidentally, you know, be walking around and catch a screw on the outside in. Look at that, gang. The box is built. There's nothing more we need to do other than knock down these screw ends so no one will hurt themselves. Put it on the tractor and we'll let Mom take it over to where we're gonna set it.
So you're using a piece of plastic as a weed barrier?
Just any type of any plastic, roofing felt. This is actually some expensive synthetic roofing underlayment that we're using.
As a weed barrier.
We're all on a budget. We use the material that we already have, so.
We don't buy nothing. This is our raised bed we just completed. We retrieved some topsoil from off our farm here. We're cleaning all the grass, the roots out. Behind you, I just sowed in some seeds, some mini romaine lettuce. We put 3 rows. We put in about 200 seeds. So we're gonna see what germinates and we'll be able to have salad.